Good evening. So, I've put together a bunch of clips of the house, some of which I'm going to have to make silent, and I guess I'll have to try and figure how to talk over them like Kelly did, because the contractor that was working on the tile in the bathroom was playing some lovely music really loud, but of course, copyright being what it is, you don't get to hear it. So, yeah, we are now finally getting progress in the house. I want to excuse my little This is I get cold in the living room, so I have this little warmer thing around my neck because this house is drafty, and I think my next house is going to be even draftier. Um, I've taken 2 videos, and it was quite interesting. So the video I took, I don't know, 2 3 weeks ago, you haven't seen yet, but I'm gonna put some clips of it in here because basically the rooms look the same as they did then. I can tell you though that when I took that video, I was very angry, and you can hear it in my what I say. In fact, I even drop a little f bomb at one point when I notice a broken window. So, the state of my attitude in February was not good. Now, since then, um, we've had floors go in, and I'm gonna try. I know I took a clip of that. I just have to find it. Um, and you may get to see a glimpse of it. It's sort of a slate-looking floor, but it's click lock, and that's in the floors in the kitchen and the bathrooms. And then there's one bathroom upstairs and one bathroom downstairs. And then they're going into the pantry, but I guess there's a level issue because that pantry was built on a porch, and my contractor, excuse me, is adamant that it needs to be level. I keep telling him, stop worrying about it. It's a pantry. I don't mind. But he is bound and determined to make it level. So he keeps putting in concrete leveler to make it level. So the first clip you're going to see is the state of the kitchen. We had a flurry of phone calls today because our stove was going to be on the right side of one wall, and you could walk past it to get into the pantry, but it's had to flip to the left side of that wall, and in order to get the range hood, because there was a sewer pipe running through the wall. Yeah, that's kind of a thing. So we had to do that. Um, all of the heating, air conditioning was supposed to be progressed today, but when we were there at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, there was absolutely no evidence of any progress there. So the person that I guess was going to be at work either couldn't make it or was shirking his duties. I don't know which. And then we're running low on tile, so the tiler was upstairs tiling. We're putting in, it's called Panda Dull Tile. Dull Tile is the brand of the tile, and it's Panda Tile, and it's sort of a faux marble. It's not a real marble because the cost would have been astronomical if we'd put in real marble. But it's very busy. I'm a little worried. I don't usually design so busily, but we're going for it. We've said this is the house we're going to retire in, so we're going to go for it, and for once in our lives put in what we want, not what will resell the house. So, wish me luck. Give me positive vibes. If I've made a mistake, just don't say so. Um but yeah, that's so you're gonna see the upstairs bedrooms. You're going to see a little bit of the front yard, and then the kitchen. And I don't think I show you the second bathroom. No, I do show you the second bathroom. So you'll see the 2 bathrooms, and I don't think I show you the laundry room. But that is where the house is as of today. I will show you another one when something else happens. Please wish me luck because it's been months. I I do feel a little bit better now. In fact, I started rapidly figuring out how to pack the shop up. Again, I'm going to remind you, everything almost is 40% off. Not everything, but there is a lot of yarn 40% off right now. And if you are feeling the need to do any stashing, now would be the time, because all of our worsted weight, except for the tweed, is 40% off. Almost all of our fingering weight stock is 40% off. All of our the linen, I believe, is 40% off. The cotton is 40% off, except the Mion isn't. But the basically all the lines that aren't either dyed by me or stuff that I wholesale. And then there's like maybe 2 or 3 lines that we've decided that we will continue to keep. The Tinsel right now is on that list that we will be keeping. and then the lace weight, the lace weight silk and wool silk at this point are staying full price. But that might even change too, because I haven't had a full chat with Kelly yet. So enjoy the video. I will either type over or do a voiceover in some of the sections because I had to drop the sound. One, so you don't hear me cuss, and two, because of the music. Yeah, I'll pop back in afterwards and do a wrap up. So in the end, I ended up pulling all the talking off and just gave you a blow by blow typed in. So hopefully that's okay. We'll do a better walkthrough when there's really some progress. Drawer fronts, cupboard doors. We're gonna have stainless steel behind the stove, and that should go in next week. We should have furnace heater vents, those holes in the ceiling should be going in soon. I hope so. Fingers crossed, knock on wood, anything. That is what we have in, okay, we bought this in July. That's how much progress. Now what you can't see is the infrastructure stuff. We have a new driveway with a new sewer line. We have a new roof. We have a new electricity in the bathrooms and the kitchen and the laundry room and sort of into the family room, I think. I'm not sure. I guess it's easy to break through and get that. So that's it. I hope that you guys are doing well. Still thinking a lot about all the crappity stuff going on in the world. But also working hard to try and get ready to move someday. Sure, looking at it tonight, it's like, what? I think I'm going to be moving soon? I don't think so. So, I don't know. I don't know if we're going to move soon or not. I know we have to be out of this house in June, and we're moving in regardless. So, wish us luck that we have enough niceties in there that I can feel comfortable moving in, or I'll be camping. Anyway, have a good week. I'll see you on Wednesday with probably shop talk and progress. I am still way behind on my temperature blanket. I don't know if you saw me post on the group, Blanket Along group, but I did a crochet flower to catch up and found that my tension has changed in my hands because I was using exactly the same hook, and I ended up with a very large flower. So I'm gonna have to learn to tighten up. I've been crocheting too much lately, apparently. So I gotta redo that one, and I'm still, now I'm 4 behind. I got 4 flowers to make and an embroidered motif to get done by the end of the month. I really gotta get on this. Anyway, if you haven't, there's gonna be an end card here. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. There will be more updates on the house. There's always more updates on the crafty shenanigans that Kelly and I are getting up to. If you don't get Piecework Magazine, get on their list because there'll be an email out this week from us about sale stuff and all the stuff we carry. So, I'll see you Wednesday. Bye.